volume is equals to pi r square height. That is the formula of calculating the volume of a cylinder. The question says a volume of a cylindrical tank 10-meter height is 385 meter cube. Find the diameter of the tank. We are going to take pi is equals to 22/7. That is the asked to take pi as 22/7. Now we are going to say the volume is given as 385 meter cube is equals to the volume of pi here is 22/7 multiply by, we can put height or r. Then since we have the height of 10 multiply by r, that's the radius, a square. Now since we have two equations separated by equality sign, we can do cross multiply. We are free to say this is equals to r square is equals to, we can say 385 times 7 all over 22 times 10. That is, since this one is contained square, we can take the square root of both sides. Here we have r is equals to the square root of 385 times 7. 385 times 7, we have to say we have 2,900, we have 2,695 all over 22 times 10. Here we have 220. Then we can take r is equals to 2,695 divided by 220. Here we have r is equals to the square root of, we have 12.25. Then we can take the square root of this one, where we can get r is equals to 3.5 meter. Since we are looking for the diameter, the asked calculate the diameter, we get the radius. You know, the radius is half of diameter. Half of diameter is the radius. If here is radius, here is radius in a normal cycle, then the diameter is 2 times the radius. Therefore, we have the diameter. The diameter is equals to 2 times 3.5 meter. This is equals to 7 meter. That's the diameter is equals to 7 meter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.